Alrighty, today on this cold morning, we're going to be doing something quite simple. Oil change and tire rotation of this 2013 Nissan Versa. Let's get to it. Kind of painted myself into a quarter. Well, away she goes. $14mm? Yeah. Let's make a mess. Ugh. I mean, not bad. Ain't good. Ain't bad. While I'm doing that, I can take off the the plastic wheel covers. Ugh. There's one. Ooh, cracked it. Oh. This is not working out. Two. Three. Four. All right. Let's see if the uh-oh. No washer. Who changed the oil this last time? No problem. I got plenty of... Oh wait, no, it's got it. But it's seen better days. That's not. That's all right though. I think a Toyota one will work. Let's see. I pull this one off my Tundra, and look at that. A Toyota Tundra drain plug gasket will fit on this. There's two of them on that, I think. If you could see, there's like this copper gasket, looks like. Use the incorrect tool to remove this. Let's see. Interesting. I don't know what that was. Sounded not good. It's all right. Ow, you saw that, right?
Oh, you saw that, right?
God damn. Ah. I mean, come on. Who hasn't giving up a pound of flesh to change oil. I mean, you shouldn't, but the hell? This can't be part of it. Look at that. What if I have to blur that out for YouTube because they're, you know, censorious. God dang it. Good to have this dirty rag over here to, you know, help the wound. Alright, let's be smarter about this. This thing does not want to come off. Yikes. Get out the old hammer. Ah, yes. There we go. Let's see here. Let's get underneath it again. Keep my fingers out of the way. There we go. There we go. Released from its motor coil. Motor coil. Mortal coil. There we go. There we go. And now for the fun. 19. 21. Omaha hike. Wrong way. Yep, a couple thousand miles left. Good old drum brakes. What we're gonna do here is take the two front wheels, bring them back to the rear. Then take these wheels and cross them. That one over here to the front, the other one that over to the front. We'll do that now. Oh yeah, click. Oh yeah, click. Now that the oil's been properly drained, I'm going to take this GoTech filter out. I already drained it, even though that was a lie apparently. Alright, take you off. Ooh, clean the area. And then get the cheapest filter I found at my local auto parts distributor. This STP S6607. I could have got the XL for the 10,000 mile, but nah, that was way too much for this Nissan Versa with 150 something thousand miles on the clock. All right. Oh, that's right. You didn't lube the filter packing. You're right. I didn't. I think it'll be just fine. And then give it a little hand tight. There we go. I don't think it's going to be going anywhere anytime soon. Which doesn't fit. Oh, Nissan. Jeez. It's a bit much. Oh yeah. Only the best. yeah. Take it all in. Someone had to make a mess. Even with the funnel. I sure as hell did. I tell ya. Luckily I had cardboard down there. Yep. This is real life, folks. Okay, that's a little over 4. I think this particular model, this 1.6 liter engine takes about 4.5 quarts, maybe 5. Let's see if we find out. Ooh. Dropping oil everywhere. Oh yeah. She's just below the full line, so we'll go ahead and start this hot rod up and check it out. And to reset the oil light, apparently you put the Nissan into the run position and then you hit the, I think this, yeah, the odometer. There you go. Ooh, I gotta add some. Good enough for government work.